Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some lemon chicken. Now a lot of people think, oh, that's fancy. I'm not making that. It's so simple, and it comes together quick. Everything you need will be in the description. Now here I have 2 chicken breasts, which I just sliced them right down the middle, lengthwise. That way you get 4 here. I'm just going to bread them up and set them on my can't even remember the name of that cutting board. Here I have some salt and pepper, and we're just going to salt and pepper these right quick. I hope you guys make this up. You can have it with whatever you want. We like to have it with rice, some white buttered rice, or in a salad, or you can have it with some mashed potatoes. You could have it with fettuccine, whatever you want with it. But we make this, what, maybe every 3 to 4 months, Curtis? Because Curtis just loves it. Oh, he likes anything chicken, and Ryan does too, my other son. Just evenly salt and pepper that. Now I just have some flour here. And I'd have my pan over here heating up with some, use olive oil or avocado oil. That's what I have. If you have vegetable, that's fine. That's just what I'm using. And I got, I think, about 3 tablespoons in there. And we're just going to coat our chicken right quick here. Kind of press that flour down in there. There's really not a measurement for the flour. I probably got maybe 1/3 of a cup in here. It's just how much flour your chicken picks up. So we're going to get these all floured up and get them in that hot oil. Okay, I have my avocado oil heating up here. I have it on a medium high. And we're going to fry these probably about 4 minutes per side. So medium high, and we'll let those go and give them a flip here in about 4 minutes or so. Okay, I'm flipping these. They're 4 minutes. You want to get them nice and golden. And while they're cooking, I'll just kind of move them around. You don't get hot spots. Kind of move that oil over here. Let all that chicken get some of that oil so it browns evenly. Boy, I'm all twisted today, ain't I, Curtis? Yeah. Okay, we'll give that another 4 minutes, okay? Okay. We did 4 minutes on this side. All right. Now, depends how much flour you ended up getting on your chicken. If you have any left in your pan. That's going to be all over that camera, I have a feeling. I hope not. It's a splattering everywhere. Okay, let me get a little bit of butter here. About a tablespoon of butter more. Get all that stuff on the bottom there from that chicken and flour. Now we're going to add in our shallots and garlic. Stir that all around, scraping the bottom. That doesn't want to come out of there with that. Get it all out of my bowl there. Oh, that smells good already, don't it? Now, Curtis tells me a while ago, is that like an onion? You should know that by now, but I've always told him it's a bunch of garlic. But I had no choice today because he sees it. Yeah, I don't care. It's still good. It's just milder flavor. So we're just going to let this lightly sear here for a few minutes. Okay, now while you're searing this here, make sure you keep it moving. We definitely don't want no burnt garlic. Just for a few minutes. And you do want to make sure your garlic and your, why am I forgetting the name of those?
Shallots.
Shallots. Are finely minced, I'm sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken stock.
Oh, that smells good already.
Don't it? My lemon juice. My zested lemon. The rind from the lemon peel. Now, when you do your lemons, guys, just make sure you don't get, you know, right here is that white part right underneath. Don't get any of that in there, try as less as you can, because that's bitter. It'll ruin your whole dish. You're just looking to grate off the top of the rind there from the lemon peel. Now I'm just going to let this reduce for a little bit, maybe 3 minutes, and we'll get the rest of the stuff in there. Okay, as you can see, I have that lightly simmering. I'm going to add in, because this is a creamy lemon chicken. Now we're going to add in some cream. Okay. And right at the end, I like to put in a little bit of butter. Maybe a tablespoon or so. And that's basically it. And we're going to add our chicken back in here. All right. And then just let this basically warm through. Put some of that sauce on there and let this cook just a few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. All right. Okay, my friends, there is the creamy lemon chicken. I just let the chicken warm back up in the lemon sauce and maybe, what, 2 minutes?
Yeah, about 2 minutes.
About 2 minutes. And there you can see. Now you could put some of this sauce, whatever you're eating with it, whether it be rice, a salad.
I think that's what I might do with some rice.
Or, well, that's how you always eat it.
Yeah.
But I like it with a salad myself. Or potatoes. I love mashed potatoes, but I'll go ahead and cut a piece here. This will be my piece. And if you like lemon and you like chicken, you'll love this. It's just delicious. You're not getting this bite, Curtis. Mama's getting it this time, son.
For now.
Make sure that rice don't overcook over there. Watch it. Mmm. Oh, that is so good. Love it every time I make it. And I just put a few lemon pieces on there. Just let you know what you're eating. Okay, so there it is, my friends. Please like and subscribe. As always, it helps support my channel. And I truly appreciate it. And I thank every one of y'all that tune in every Sunday to watch. I always look forward to those comments, you guys. I love each and every one of y'all. Have a beautiful Sunday. Eat well. God bless. Make you some lemon creamy chicken. Bye-bye.